Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MerXs. Per popular request, I've been asked to do a cooking show. We're gonna have lots of voices in the back, like Shelly Welly,
A little bit.
and JJ.
Usted diga.
But yeah, I'm gonna be making my famous tuna melt. This is a knife sharpener because, you know, we're not gonna sit here and be fighting with our fucking vegetables.
Okay, but can we keep like the verbiage to a minute so I can hurry? I'm hungry.
Oh shit, okay. Alright, you guys, so first, primero, ¿sabes qué? I'm gonna have my helper since she's in a rush. Don't be fucking lazy. Fucking rinse your fucking vegetables. Wow.
He's hand modeling the vegetables.
So we're gonna rinse the tuna. So let me start with the ingredients. So for this recipe, you're gonna need real mayonnaise.
For real, dude.
You're gonna need stone ground mustard. You're gonna need green apple,
Wait.
celery, onion.
Yum.
I like purple, but
You gotta do what you gotta do with what you got.
it was dying. It died actually. It past died.
P.S. You guys, if there's any mold on any of your food, like bun or vegetables, don't try to save it and cut that shit off. As Mexicans, we do. But that's not safe, guys.
So I'm gonna cook 3 cans. It's up to you and your liking and your taste how you want to make your tuna.
3 or
But
4.
we have a big family, so we eat.
3 or 4.
Let's do 3 for now. So we're just gonna rinse the tuna.
You want me to rinse it?
No, like this. Take your labels off your fruta.
Safety
And
first.
make sure you guys rinse everything. No sean flojas o flojos. So here's one. I chose this brand. You can pick whatever it is that you guys like. You're just gonna literally put it in the
Water based, not oil based.
Make sure you guys are cooking with your hands clean. My hands are clean. So don't come for my life in the comments.
No es cierto, vi que fue al baño y no se lavó las manos.
Here you go. But she's still gonna eat it, so.
Pues es el sazón. Que no hizo ni que su madre.
Alright, you guys.
Daddy, get out my butt.
Yeah, this is for real, you guys. I didn't want to make it all fancy and give you a nice little fucking background because this is how it really is in this fucking kitchen. So, we're waiting on the last one. And then,
Are you rushing me?
no,
Oh, okay.
but I gotta rinse some, you know. We gotta rinse some shit around here. So, Shelly doesn't like celery at all, so I'm not gonna torture her, and maybe we could do just like 3 chingaderas of it.
Didn't get soup.
Let me rinse my fingers.
I think that one was oil based. That
Yeah,
one-
it's okay. It'll be yummy and juicy. So cut off the end. And no lazy ass fucking choppers in here. Like, it's different to be eating like a piece of an onion versus a whole fucking chunk of an onion, you know? So like little pieces, you can do it finer than that, but that's how I'm gonna do it. I'll probably run the knife over after I'm done. You guys see? And then you can go like this. I feel like I have to hide it in the tuna so Shelly doesn't get sad.
I'm gonna buy you a chopper.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm running over it a couple times because I know Shelly is not fucking with this shit. And I want to make sure she likes my recipe.
Do you see these instructions to put the backdrop together? Spread the leg.
Wow.
Spread the leg.
Totally
Step
forgot
number
I'm
1.
over here recording, but whatever, guys. I told you this is how it really is. I gotta kick everybody out just to fucking make a video for you guys. We're not listening. They're trying to listen to me.
And insert the pole B.
Oh my god, you guys. I hope you guys can hear me.
And inserting poles. You know we're 12-year-olds.
Golly. I hope this is a fast video for your pobre orejas over there. This is a lot faster if you guys if you prep your vegetables and your fruit, because then you just have to literally assemble it. And you know what? This recipe is really easy. Like, it's something your kids can help you with. If you start the kids with the machete young, the likelihood of them using it at an older age slower.
Ya lo demás se está blanqueando, lo voy a tirar.
Huh?
Lo demás se está blanqueando, lo voy a
Okay.
tirar.
And whatever you guys don't use, just put a paper towel around it and you can put it in a Ziploc. And you could just put it in the fridge. That way your vegetables are already like rinsed, you know? Alright, so I think I'm going to put one more or two more because I'm not trying to get Shelly sad.
Mind you, guys, I told her I'd be an adult about it.
Yeah, she did, but I still have consideration.
It makes me feel so loved.
And make sure that you guys are enjuagando your freaking dishes after so that you don't have all this fucking mess to deal with. You know, just work as you go. This is a super easy recipe for beginners. Like, it doesn't even, it's not even that hard. Simple ingredients. Ya ven? When you get them all together, watch your dedos, because you're gonna need your dedo blenders for your makeup later. Alright, so I'm gonna pause with that. I'm gonna start with my onion. I'm gonna see if we need to add it later. Too much off there, but who's watching?
YouTube.
I think we're gonna need about this much. Okay. Si quieren más, agréganle más. It's up to you guys. Damn, I'm not gonna find it. Whatever. I got Shelly. She's helping me out too. Slice this puppy up super thin. Super thin, like how they do the McDonald's Happy Meal freaking onions, because since I can't be having no Big Mac right now. Should be reminding me. See, they're so thin it's almost transparent. So just take your time. Like I told you, if you have your stuff pre-chopped, then this is literally just like a 5-minute thing. And if you guys want to share your tuna melt recipes with me, comment below and tell me how you guys make yours. But this is how I make mine, so don't come on my channel fucking talking shit to me. Because there's this amazing button I discovered and it's called block. And you will become a member of that. So ponen la cebolla. Again, to your liking. Alright, where's the manzana? Manzanita. And I know it doesn't sound like it would like be good, but just trust me on this. I stole this recipe from a restaurant, so hopefully they don't discover that I'm showing the world the recipe right now. Look, it's running away from me.
Está vivo.
Está vivo, guys. Almost done. I promise it's a super easy recipe. The rest is just assembly because all the chopping's done. And then another ingredient I forgot to mention. Well, you don't need to do this, but we're gonna actually make melts. So we can't eat pan, but for those of you that can, you guys can put this on top of a piece of pan. And then your choice of cheese. I bought pepper jack because we like flavor in this fucking house. So we're gonna get an avocado half, pit it out, and then stuff this in the little hole y ponerle queso encima and stick it in the oven. And it's just gonna make all of us super happy. And we're gonna wake up skinnier. All right. That's done. I'm probably gonna fast forward through a lot of this and add some nice music. Or I might keep it if my voice sounds sexy. You only need one out. I was gonna have all this stuff already chopped up and then record the video, but I think it's the journey that matters. You know, bring some girls over.
Some bitches?
Hopefully the tea is hot. Y'all can talk about some shit. There's always somebody fucking up.
Because Mariana did what? Fucking scontas.
Phil is putting together the backdrop. And believe it or not, I don't even have a freaking thingy, chingadera thing. So I'm gonna use a freaking sabana because we make it work. Latinos make it work always. We will find something. Look at this, look at this. It doesn't get more perfect than this. All right, I'm gonna stop right there. So you guys see that? We're gonna thank you. Now again, it's to your liking, but we like flavor. Mayonesa in this house goes stupid fast because it's something we can actually eat, literally. So you're gonna put mayonesa, again, to your liking. That's done. Oh no, I shouldn't have done that. Open this one. Lick the top if you want. All right, let's see what we look like with that. You're just gonna work through it. Oh yeah, that's probably better. And just work through it. I'm telling you, if your kids don't like tuna, like who the fuck does like tuna with just mayo in it anyway? I mean, to each their own, I guess, but you can really hide vegetables in here really good. I mean, mayonnaise and the green apple really add a lot of flavor to this. And we're probably gonna have a couple bites just like this because we're hella hungry. But I'm gonna get the oven started and we're gonna show you guys the end result because I'm telling you, this is a recipe you're gonna wanna take to your barbecues. It goes really well with your pasta salad that every freaking Latina takes to baby showers.
350?
Uh-huh. You can get your pepper. This is gonna be on my Amazon storefront, so if you guys check out the description, it's gonna be there under home and gadgets.
It's broken.
Actually, it survived. And we can add more mustard or more anything. So I'm gonna let Shelly do the honors. Give her a piece, make sure there's a little bit of everything on it.
Fire.
Yeah, does it need more apple? Is it good on everything?
Maybe more apple.
Okay.
Try it. I think more apple.
Shit is fire, guys. I promise you, you're gonna freaking love this. We're gonna add more apple. And then of course, we're gonna add tapatio or any of hot sauce of your choice, but it's gonna taste really freaking good if you add tapatio to this. You can have it with saltine crackers. You can just spoon this. There's your tuna sandwich. All right, let's see if she likes it now. Thank you. All right, you guys, we'll be back. That was the oven, y'all. It's ready. And again, you don't have to make it like this, but we're doing keto, so we can't really be fucking around with rage. Usually you put it on a piece of bread and you put tomate and then the tuna on top with the cheese. That's how I make it at the restaurant. Alright, you guys, so you put it on the broil just until it melts, and that's what it looks like. Now we're going to plate it. Ooh. Oh. I might need backup, guys. I was about to use my claws. And then you add your tapatio. Even though they continue to fuck with me. And you enjoy. Alright, thanks guys for watching.